Hey hustlers, I'm Wesley, and in today's video I'll be showing you where and how I purchase cheap shipping labels. Alright, by using this method you could save anywhere between 50 cents to $2. I know, it doesn't sound like a lot, but it does add up. Especially if you're doing 100 orders and you save $2 per order, you're saving around $200 right there. And that is easily money that you could use to go buy yourself a new booster box. Now, I will say, if you are using a platform such as eBay, stick with eBay shipping labels because the method I'm about to show you, their prices are pretty much the same. Alright, the way you save money on shipping labels is by 1, smashing that like button for that YouTube algorithm, of course, and 2, by not going to the post office. Yeah, it's strange. Don't go to the post office to buy shipping labels and ship the packages at the post office. I know, it's weird, but post office has 2 categories when it comes to shipping. You have your retail and you have your business, right? So with retail, the shipping labels are going to be a little bit more pricey and you can get them if you go to the post office, right? But if you do it online, do third-party services such as PayPal, and there are other ones out there, but I personally use PayPal, you can get these shipping labels for a discounted price. And I did the math for you guys just so you guys can see. So if you were to go in person to the post office to purchase shipping labels, you'd be looking to pay for an 8-ounce package in the same time zone $4.80. Right? That's almost $5 per package. However, if you were to use a third-party site such as PayPal and you put in the same dimensions and the weight and all that stuff, you'd be looking to pay around $3.46. Right? I mean, it's not a lot of money, but it's still something that you're saving. And like I said before, if you're doing 100 orders, that's a lot of money you're saving. That's at least $100 that you could use towards buying your new booster box or something, or smashing that like button. That works too, you know. Alright, now let me show you guys how I use PayPal to print out my shipping labels. So first thing you want to do, I'm going to assume you guys all have PayPal. Just enter your login password when you get to PayPal. The first thing what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to you're going to want to go here. It says shipping labels. Select the shipping labels. Well, you have 2 options for PayPal. You have the post office and USPS. If you're doing Pokemon bulk repacks, you're most likely going to want to use USPS. Or anything Pokemon, USPS usually is the way to go. Alright, this is weird. Sometimes it glitches out like this. Kind of just press the refresh button. There we go. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to go to create shipment. Okay, so first thing you want to do, you want to have an item name. Usually I put the customer I bought it, or customer who bought it from me. I would just put their name. So let's say it's called Bobbymon. Call it Bobbymon. Well, actually, we'll call it Timmy for my boy Timmy. Timmy Chew. And then, of course, the shipping address. It'd be same customer name. I also do Timmy Chew. Address. You would, of course, type in the address. We pull Pallet Town. City. Pokemon. State. Let's do like some random state. Let's do like Alaska or something. Postal code. Last 4 digits of my credit card number. 1111. There we go. Nice. Okay. So once you put your address in and PayPal accepts it, what you want to do is you want to go to. So I have my things as preset, and I also recommend you guys doing it as well. It'll save you so much time. But if you don't have presets, I'll show you guys in a different video how I do presets. It's a time saver, and I definitely recommend that you guys do it. If you don't have presets, you want to select here. Most likely you're going to be using first class as your item because it's under £1. It's usually the cheapest option, and you can only get it at USPS. Large package, thick package doesn't really matter. I just select the package, and then you would put the weight of your package. Usually it's a standard size. I just put 8 ounces. And then when you're done. Select done. Or you could create new shipment. Alright, so I got a quick hack for you guys if you guys do decide to use PayPal as like your third-party method of creating shipping labels. So if PayPal, I think it's a glitch within the system of PayPal that they've never fixed. But if PayPal stalls, like when you input all the address and all the dimensions and everything for your package and you're ready to create the shipping label, and the loading circle is like going on forever and ever, the quickest thing that you can do is just to go to your browser history and clear your cache and clear your browsing history. That should be good to go. Refresh the PayPal page and re-input all the information to create your shipping label, and you should be good for that. You should be good from then on. And if it does happen again, just repeat the process of clearing your history and cache. Okay, hope that helps, guys. I know it took me a while to figure that out, but I managed to do it. So hopefully that will save you a bunch of time, because sometimes I would sit there waiting for like an hour just for the loading screen to like finish loading, but it never did. So hopefully this helps you. So that's all for today's video. If you guys learned anything, make sure to tell me what you learned in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that pretty much wraps up my series on Pokemon bulk repacks. My next series, I'll show you guys how I sell on TCG Player. I know that's like a hot topic that everyone's super interested in, so here we go. Exciting, right? And as always, good luck selling and happy hustling, guys. See ya.